Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl, Alisia.B. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, we are doing a full transformation, y'all. Underneath this bonnet is some old jumbo box braids that I did, I think about 3 weeks ago now, and it's time to take it out, y'all. I start work tomorrow, and there's no way I'm going to work looking like this. Like, as tempted as I am to go to bed, I cannot go to work like this, y'all. So we are taking this out. If you guys have not seen how I install this braids, make sure you guys go check out the video. It's going to be up here in the link. It's super easy. Love it. I loved how quick it was because it is a jumbo style. But yeah, it's time to take this out, y'all. Wash my hair and just do a nice silk press just to see how my hair is. And for anyone interested to see how my hair held up, because I did use synthetic hair, this is how she looks, y'all. She looks matted. She looks like it's horrible. Okay, if you have the budget for it and you want to go on like vacation and you know you're going swimming and stuff, definitely opt to go get human hair for this hairstyle. I'm going to do this video as a chill ambiance video. So if you guys are wanting to relax, wind down for the day, watch this and just let it play in the background if you guys are just interested in some background music, because this is going to be a fast process. I want to finish this and I want to say at least 4 hours. It is 10:30 right now, y'all. So I'm going to give myself up until 10, 11, 12, 1, 2:30, okay? 2:30 to have my hair completely done. So let's see how it goes. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let's get into it. Oh, and before I forget, all the products I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to put it down in the description box down below. If you guys are interested, you guys can definitely purchase it down in the description box below.